Everyone, welcome you all to today's topic of class ninth, Maria Sarapova. I hope, my dear kids, you have remembered the part 1 we read about Santosh Yadav, and the second part is Maria Sarapova of Rich for the Top. Now let us move to the topic and see what happened to Maria and how she became famous and what are the experience that she came across. So you can see the image of the girl named Maria. A Russian girl. She is a Russian girl, Maria. She reached the summit of women's tennis. So she was good at tennis when she was barely 18 years old. And as you read about her, see if you can draw a comparison between her and Santosh Yadav. So after reading this, both the part, Maria and Santosh, you can have a comparison between these two characters. Okay, so Maria story of success as she became the top seeded woman tennis player in the world motivate us. What about Santosh? She was a mountaineer, she climbed, right? And whereas Maria, she was a woman tennis player. She overcome all the hurdles and bore humiliation too in order to achieve her dream. So if you have a dream, a destination, and if you are a hard-working person, then no one can get rid of your success. So she overcome all the hurdles and obstacles whatever came on her way. So Maria's hunger for success and her competitive spirit keep her going. And my dear kids, these are some of the glossary items of your textbook. If you want, you can go through it while reading. It will be easy for you to understand the context. There is some quality in contrast to Maria Sarapova's smile and glamour, which makes her likable. So there is some contrast of this Maria Sarapova. Of what? Of her smile and glamour. Why? She is a bit likable. And it is this quality that helped her achieve success as she attained world number 1 position in women's tennis and on Monday, 22nd August 2005. So she was a smiling character, right? So you may have come across many people that who are not at all smiling, who are smiling faces, and you may have experienced and seen that the smiling character attracts more number of people and then they have lot of friends, right? Now, Maria's calmness and elegance is beyond her age. She was born in Siberia, Russia, and as a teenager, she took only 4 years of training to become the top seeded woman in tennis player. My dear kids, there are people who work hard for years and years, but this little girl, only for 4 years, she was trained and she became the top tennis player in the world. Again, this is glossary item. And the fast growth of her career started 9 years ago when she made a big sacrifice which can be made by very few children of that young age. What is that? She had not even turned 10 when she was sent to Florida, USA. That means she was not even 10 years old. She was sent to Florida, USA with her father for training in tennis. And she was extremely sad as she had to spend 2 years separation from her mother. That means she went with the father, but she was separated from her mother, that to be for 2 years. And mother's name was Yelena. Maria's mother was forced to stay back in Siberia because she did not have the permit to travel to the USA. But because mother was not allowed, so she was left there in US. And at the tender age of 9, Maria learned that in order to excel at tennis, she would have to make many sacrifices. Definitely, because 9-year girl is not that enough. She need to work hard more and more. And when there will be a age, she will be selected. So she thought that in order to excel, in order to get success, she need to work more and she need to give more sacrifices. Maria recollects that she used to remain alone and missed her mother a lot. Her father worked hard to fetch money for her needs and so he also could not meet her. So both daughter and father, they could not meet Yelena, and both of them missed Maria's mother. So Maria was very young and so she would go to sleep at 8 p.m. and the other students would return at 11 and would wake her up, ordering her to clean the room. Now see the condition, see the scenario, try to experience what would have happened to this little girl. Maria did not get depressed by all this. Instead, she became determined and mentally tough. For sometimes you would have heard as well, there are people when they struggle a lot, they quit, right? They could not go ahead and they will say that no, it's not for me, I cannot do it. But there are people who learn lot of things from that struggle, and they become more determined and mentally challenged, mentally strong, physically strong to face anything in the world. So similarly, this Maria, she did not get depressed at all. Instead, she became determined and mentally tough. She took care of herself. She never thought of leaving the training because she was determined to achieve her aim. So when a person has nothing, he craves and becomes determined to get it. She says that she would have borne greater humiliation and insults also in order to achieve her dream. Wow. So if you are determined to achieve your success, then there will be a lot of insults, humiliations, and if you are strong enough, then definitely you will achieve your dream, whatever it is, my dear student. So Maria retains her determination till present day, and this determination led her to grab the women's single trophy at Wimbledon Championship in 2004. Just because of this determination, strong belief and hard work, she achieved this trophy in 2004, followed by the rapid climb to the top position in 2005. So tennis fans feel emotional to know about Maria's journey from the frozen region of Siberia, but she is not moved by it. So there will be more number of huge fans if you become famous, whatever field it is. And they want to know your success. They make you an idol, an inspiration. So she gives straight answer when questioned about her aims, which imply that she accepted the hurdles and challenges she faced were worth the result that she got. For example, if you are working hard and suddenly you fail the exam, then you will say that what was the use of my hard work? But if you do a lot of hard work and if you succeed, then at that time of success, you will feel that my hard work which I did for this success was worth it. Right? So similarly, she says that when she gets the success, she says that, okay, whatever hard work I faced was worth it. So she faced were worth the result that she got. She adds that she is competitive and works hard as she considered it to be a part of her work. That means she did not even take rest. She was competitive, she was a hard lady, and she achieved her success. So this is Maria's secret for success. Now, Maria's speech has an American accent, but she is proud to be a Russian. Though she was a Russian, but the speech she was conversing or she was uttering gives an American accent, American sound, pronunciation. She says that USA is a big part of her life because she trained there, but in core of her heart, she is a Russian. Even though she was trained in USA, she is saying that from heart she is a Russian girl. She holds the citizenship of Russia. Her ancestors are Russians and she is willing to represent Russia at the Olympics too. Like other teenagers her age, Maria's favorite pastimes are fashion, singing, and dancing. She likes to read novels written by Arthur Conan Doyle, the creator of Sherlock Holmes. She likes to wear fashionable evening gowns. Looking at her fit body, it is unbelievable that she likes to eat pancakes with chocolate spread and drinks, aerated orange flavored drinks. So these are all her favorite things. She likes to read books, novels, pancakes, fashionable clothes, evening gowns, and think about the sportsman spirit. It's not going parallel, right? But still she have that likeness towards all this thing. Now, Maria cannot be put into a particular category Her talent, urge to succeed, and sacrificing nature helped her reach the top. Definitely. If you are hardworking, then no one can take you back. If your determination is strong in whatever case you want to achieve, definitely one or the other day you will achieve, my dear kids. So her determination was strong. She passed all the hurdles of her life to reach this position in women's tennis all over the world. So no one will oppose the benefits that she is getting now because she made many sacrifices to get them. So you cannot have a say that no, this is some shortcut. No. She took lot of hard work to get that success, so no one can point her towards her. She says that money does not motivate her to work hard. Tennis is both a sport and a business, but the most important aspect for her was to reach the top sport in women's tennis. So she's saying that though tennis is a sport, it's a business, but most important thing for her was to reach the top scorer women tennis in the world, and it was this dream that kept her working further. Wow, don't you think it's an inspirational story, my dear kids? So it's my humble request, please read it out and try to comprehend it by yourself. If you face any queries, please feel free to call me. Thank you all for watching the audio. If you face any queries, comments, feedback, do comment in my chat box. Thank you all.